This is the P40. It's an Apple style of a smartwatch with an animated face. I did find one. And it'll do these kind of things. You can scroll down and get messages coming in. You can not scroll up, but you can touch it to come back. You can scroll the other direction, see your battery power, go into a sleep mode, silence it if you want to, set on Bluetooth, turn on and off vibration, those kind of things. You can come over this way and get a monthly calendar. You can check out the temperature, but it's really bizarre how this is working. It's set for Shenzhen, China. The app doesn't seem to allow you to change that. You've got pedometer reading information here, incremental heart rate readings, blood pressure readings, and last night's sleep time. And that's it for all of these. This takes you back one by one till you're back to your watch faces. Press again. You get into the app drawer with a lot of the things you just saw there, heart rate and blood pressure and whatnot, and a fitness section that is not really well thought out. When you activate an activity, it'll give you a countdown and start tracking your time, your heart rate, and your steps, if it's something like running or walking, and your calories burned. When you leave it, all you get is a summary of the time, and the data doesn't appear to be stored anywhere. You've got sleep time, music player, remote. Now, of course, this has a speaker and microphone in here, so you have phone logs and calling and all of that kind of stuff here. Sedentary reminders, there's the weather again. You've got a stopwatch, alarms. You can even do Facebook and messaging from it. A lot of great things in Siri, which once you touch the button will connect you with your Apple or your Android phone and activate the assistant, and you'll hear the sound come back in their reply, just like you will with a phone call. As far as calling and sound, it's average, not really loud, but it gets the job done. All in all, it's an interesting Apple-looking type of a watch called the P40. Check it out.